Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can color code your own tags. To do this, you can click on your service menu and under configuration click on types. Now you're only going to be able to complete this task if you have the user role access super user. In the drop down menu you can select either child tags or guardian tags. And in the action column, you can click on the little book icon and you will see a series of colors in the drop down box. You can simply select one of the colors and click save. And this will now color code that tag, which helps identify children and guardian with that particular tag. Now you can do this for your own service or group tags that have been created, and you can also do it against the system tags. So when we switch over to the list children's page, for example, you can see all of the color-coded tags to help identify that particular tag and helps it stand out. As mentioned, this is the same process if you want to color code your guardian tags. For any further information on how to color code your tags, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.